Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to make your Telegram group public using Telegram Web on your PC, following the latest update. If you want your group to be discoverable by anyone and open for new members to join, these simple steps will guide you through the process. Start by opening Telegram Web in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, look through your chat list and open the group where you're an admin. Only admins can change group settings, so make sure you have the necessary permissions. With your group open, look for the three dots icon at the top right corner of the chat window. Click on it to reveal a menu of options. From this menu, select Edit to enter your group's settings. Inside the group settings, find and click on the Group Type section. Here, you'll see two options: Private Group and Public Group. To make your group visible and accessible to everyone on Telegram, choose Public Group. Telegram will prompt you to create a unique public link for your group. This link allows anyone to find and join your group directly. Enter a memorable and available name for your group's link. If the name is already taken, try a different variation until you find one that works. After setting your group link, save your changes. Your group is now public. This means anyone can search for your group, join and view the chat history, making it easier to grow your community and encourage open discussions. To recap, here are the steps. Open Telegram Web and log in. Open your group as an admin. Click the three dots, then select Edit. Go to Group Type. Choose Public Group and set your group's public link. Save your changes. Now your Telegram group is public and ready to welcome new members from around the world. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your community.